Six Trained Soldiers, a local R&B band with a little soul, a little funk, and a whole lot of energy. Joining me now is Reno. Reno, how do we say your last name?
Bonhomme.
Bonhomme. And you kind of started this band.
Well, along with a combination of Craig, and then everyone kind of just formed in together.
And everyone gets along, everyone's friends?
Yeah, everyone's good.
Tell me about your music.
The music's pretty much like an R&B rock style. No one can really put a finger on it, so
it's unique. You have your own thing going,
it's
right?
Different. It's definitely different, yeah.
Let's introduce everybody else, if you don't mind.
Well, here on my right, we have Jed. He's the bass player.
Okay.
We have Chuck, drummer, and we have Craig on guitar.
All right, very good. And do you write your own stuff?
We all do.
You do it all together?
Yeah.
Would you say anything inspires you? Life events? Is that?
I would have to say a lot of life-inspiring events happen, you know, and then I'll just get a pen and paper and write it down, or maybe he might be in a funky mood and write something and bring it to the table.
You never know, right? Well, where can we see you besides here today on Style?
August 22nd, we'll be playing in Bristol at a place called Bleachers.
Okay.
And we'll be there.
Very good. You have a website or Facebook where we can find more info?
Six Trained Soldier on Facebook. We have a Twitter page. We have Reverb Nation. And am I missing anything?
No? Lots of options. Well, we can find you.
That's it.
Right? All right. What are you going to sing for us today?
We're going to do a song called Someone Somewhere.
All right, guys. Take it away.
Well, I know sometimes you see me here, but I'm not around. I'm halfway listening, giving you half my attention, daydreaming or looking down. It's funny how I left on the right foot today. Even the sun was shining when I'm used to smiling through the rain. Yeah. Six Trained Soldier, y'all. Oh. I didn't even have a dime in my pocket, not a red cent to my name, not a drop of gas to get nowhere, not a single side of my shame. And I'm not one for religion, no, but something or someone was looking at me. You feel me, son? Must be a remedy, or is it that he's really something? Oh no, I don't know. Must be someone somewhere. Now people, I don't clasp my hands together, don't close my eyes before I eat, don't go up in cathedral ceilings where the inconspicuously like to wish and weep. And I am not a hater by no means, and I am proud to express to you my uncertainty. Must be a fantasy, or is it that he's really something? Someone somewhere. Yeah, is this a fantasy, or is she really something? Come on! A fantasy, or is it that he's really something? Oh no, I don't know. Must be someone somewhere. Is this a remedy, or is it that he's really something? Oh no, I don't know. Must be someone somewhere.